how can I be sure that my team are completing all internal tasks properly? Well, let me show you how we can manage this within TaxCalc. So go into Practice Manager here, down to Work Management. Now I've got a new member of the team that we need to onboard properly into the practice. So I'm going to do this with a standard staff onboarding job. So I've set up the template here, staff onboarding checklist. Let's click continue. Now this is an internal checklist, so no relevance to clients, services or fees. And I'm going to assign this to the new member of staff so they can take control of the onboarding process themselves. Now they're starting next month, so I'm going to create a start date of the first day of the next month, and I'm going to give them 2 weeks to complete this task, plus a little reminder 1 day before the deadline to ensure that they've done it. So these are the pre-assigned tasks in our staff onboarding checklist. They can simply be ticked off by that member of staff in any order as and when they are done and completed. And then once we've created that, that will then show in Work Management.